Hello and welcome to Designer How. Today I'll be showing you how to integrate the generative fill feature into your videos in Premiere Pro and get some cool results. Let's get into it. On the timeline, I have the clip I want to hype up. It can definitely do with some added spice, so we'll be making a little trip to the generative fill feature in Photoshop to make that happen. First though, we want to select a frame best suited for an effect. I think this will be fine. We'll cut the clip there. Hit the button for full screen and press the print screen button on your keyboard. In Photoshop, select New File and Create. The canvas that opens will have the exact dimensions of what you just copied because it is still on the clipboard. That means all we have to do is hit Ctrl-V and our screenshot will be pasted in place. Now we'll use the same method as in our previous video. We don't want the AI to replace our image, but rather blend with it. We can achieve this via an alpha channel. For a more in-depth look into this process, check out our other video. Under Channels, click the Create New Channel button. Open Foreground Color and set B for brightness to about 30. Go to Edit, choose Fill and make sure it is set to Foreground Color. Now hold Ctrl and click the Alpha channel. Ignore the pop-up and select the RGB channel. We are now ready to begin prompting the generative fill. In the prompt bar, we'll type crayon painting and see what that gets us. Some pretty weird stuff. It's perfect. Firefly even provides us with 3 results to choose from, which is very good because they are all in the same style. I like these 2, so we'll just select them. Then go to File, Export, and save them to PNG files in a location that's easily accessible. Back in Premiere, we'll move the end section of the cut forward about 5 frames. Throw one of the files we've just exported onto the timeline and adjust it to fit the gap. We'll do the same for the second image, 5 frames, then insert it directly after the first. After that, we'll do the same thing once again, only this time, we'll repeat the first image. We now have 3 images in rapid succession. Already beginning to look like something. So I have added some more clips to the timeline and put a beat under it to give it rhythm. It still feels pretty static, so let's liven things up a little. Let's scale up some of the clips to add some subtle dynamic touch. In this case, I'm scaling up both outer clips by putting them at about 105 or 106. See for yourself which clips to scale and by how much in order to achieve the look that suits best. Each project can be different. The difference in scale makes the effect pop out at you. I'm going to repeat the steps we took and apply them onto the other clips as well. So I've edited the clips on the timeline into a whole, and this is what it looks like. I also gave it some simple color grading plus the occasional zoom and transition. This technique is a creative way to make your videos less bland and keep the viewer engaged. We'll be doing more vids on this in the future. If you guys have any suggestions, feel free to let us know in the comments. So that was it for this video. This method is surprisingly quick and easy, and it allows for a lot of flexibility. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Like and subscribe for more vids like this. And as always, catch you all on the next one.